The ProspectNow Guided Search is the easiest way to search for properties based on any criteria. To access the guided search, you can go to the ProspectNow homepage and click the orange button, or from any page, you can click the link at the top left-hand side of the page. Step 1, what would you like to accomplish? On this page, you'll have 5 options. 1, build a list of properties. Want to search for properties using filters? Build a list of properties lets you quickly create a list of every property that meets your criteria, such as square footage, property type, year built, loan amount, purchase price, etc. 2, find multiple properties from my list. Do you already have a list of properties that you would like to enrich? Find multiple properties from my list lets you take any list that you already have and search for all those properties at once in ProspectNow. 3, look up a single address. Do you just need to find information about one property? Look up a single address lets you type in any address to see all the details about that property. 4, find a property owner by name. Do you want to know what properties somebody owns? Find a property owner by name lets you type in anyone's name to see which properties are associated with their name. 5, choose a saved search. If you want to choose a saved search that you previously saved, this option will let you do that. Please note that you will not see this button if you have never saved a search before. In this example, I'll choose Build a List of Properties and click Next. From there, first I'll select a state, and then I can select any county within that state. From there, I can drill down to a smaller location, whether that's a city, a zip code, a radius around any address, or even draw a shape on the map. In this case, I want to search the entire county, so I'll choose City, and then I'll select All Cities. Next, I'll choose my property type. In this example, I'll look at multifamily properties. From there, I can apply additional filters about the property's characteristics, information about the ownership, listing status, financial history, or loan details of all the properties. So in this example, I'll open up the property characteristics filters and choose likely sellers with 2 to 4 units. And click Next. Last, I can save the search and come back to it later. Search and complete the process. At this point, I'll be able to view all those properties in the property search and make contact with the owners. Let's say you wanted to search for a bunch of properties that you already had the address for. In the guided search, you're going to select Find Multiple Properties from My List and click Next. On the next page, you can copy and paste up to 500 addresses from any source. So in this case, I have a Excel sheet that I'm going to be copying these from. And you're just going to take those addresses and copy and paste them directly into this area here. Make sure your addresses follow the formatting requirements and select any filters that you would like. Many customers like to use this search and find which properties are most likely to sell or most likely to refi from their existing list. When you click Search, you'll be taken into the property search, and the system will find as many properties as it can from your list of addresses. Then it will load all the properties for you to see on one page, and you can now go through and get up-to-date information on every one of them.